reticle itself anywhere. I'm going to double tap on the screen on the side somewhere, and you'll see that I have this circle, okay? So once we've completed setting all of these points, we are going to share this with our Dropbox folder. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my share button and select on video with points. And after I select on video with points, I'm just going to go to open in. And you see that it rendered everything. So now I am going to go ahead and take this to Dropbox. So I think I can just use this gray, but I typically like to go to the blue and import with Dropbox. It works repeatedly for me. So let me go to the folder that we have chosen before, and that was the Rotating Rod Part 1 EDB folder. Okay, and I'm just going to choose that folder, and notice that the name is already there. You don't have to rename it or anything. It's saved, so it's not a generic name, and you'll see it upload rather fast. And I don't need to wait on that. I'm just going to go back to video physics. Once I go back to video physics, I am going to share my data points with graphical. So I'm going to go to my data file. So again, I'm at the SharePoint. I'm going to go to data file, and then I'm going to open in, and I want to bring this right over to import with graphical. And so now you'll see these graphs here. I'm not really interested in them right now. So let's go to our formatting key, options key, data options key. So I want to see just the table. So now we have our data table here. I'm just going to go ahead and share this with Dropbox. So I can say open in again, and I can just go ahead and import with Dropbox. So I'll save that into the same folder. There's no need to change the name. Again, there's a name there. It's just a CSV file. So it's comma separated valued file. And I'm just going to go ahead and go back to graphical. And this time I want to share this with Microsoft Excel. So I'll choose open in again. And you'll see that Microsoft Excel gives you an option. So I'm going to copy to Excel. Now, let's see what happens here, because you guys may experience the same thing. It opened my previous assignment. So you guys might run into this. It's to be expected. I'm just going to go back. Once Excel is open, I'll repeat that process. Say open in, go over to Microsoft Excel, and then it's going to open that particular file. So I'll go over and convert and edit, go into the upper right-hand corner and say convert and edit. And we can leave everything as it is, but just make sure you navigate to Dropbox, and then you navigate to your physics folder, and then you navigate to Rotating Rod Part 1 EDB. So that's EDB for me, and it's just Rotating Rod for you. Okay, and there we go. And the thing that you want to do to kind of like end this portion of the experiment is just go to the top row. Go to like A. When I say the top, I said that wrong. It's not the top row, it's the top column. These are rows and these are columns. Okay, so I'm going to go to A and double tap, and you'll see that I have video analysis for time. Then I'm going to go to B, C, D, and then E. So I'm going to make this small so we can see all of them. So you'll know what you're working with. We have our position in X, our position in Y, our velocity in X. So it says X velocity, and we see meters per second, and then our velocity in Y. Again, it's in meters per second. Now, that's the end of this portion, okay? You're not ready to submit yet.